Hey guys, welcome back to this video, and in this video I will be diving into the depths of the Polygon MATIC coin and company. I'm going to begin this video by talking about the price news surrounding this coin and its competitors. Then I'll take a look at the basic fundamental principles that make this technology behind this coin and company so great for the future of cryptocurrency, Web3 and metaverse technology. Because after all, I believe the best way to invest in cryptocurrency in this market is to purely go for utility and invest in the company rather than the coin. This basically means that you should look at all the companies, look at what they're doing for the space of crypto, look at what they're doing for the future and Web3 development, and then invest in that company via their coin. And you can do this by a simple technique called fundamental analysis. And if you're not quite sure what fundamental analysis is, here's a quick definition, but I'll go into that further later in this video. Then I'll provide some technical analysis for those short-term buyers and those short-term flipping opportunities. I personally don't like this day trading technique of technical analysis and looking at all the trends and the graphs, because I'm more of a long-term hodler of cryptocurrency and I believe in the long-term utility of it. But technical analysis can be useful to help lots of people make some short-term quick trades. And then the fun part comes where I provide my own price predictions for the Polygon MATIC coin from my own fundamental and technical analysis for the long, short and mid-term. But first guys, I have to say this is not financial advice in any way, shape or form. I'm not personally a financial advisor, and you should not take anything I say as financial advice, because these videos are purely made for entertainment purposes only. So guys, let's get right into that price news that I was talking about. Okay, so for the price news of Polygon MATIC today, we're currently sitting at about $1.66 per token, which is relatively fine considering the last bearish months that we've had in crypto. And we are only down 0.61% as of the last 24 hours, which is very good because fluctuation has been very prevalent in the last few months with crypto, and this is great to see. If we scroll down to the last month view, we can see that we got up to heights of $2.50 and we're dipping down a little bit. And this is because of the bearish trend in crypto over all cryptocurrencies in the whole market. So that's nothing to worry about there. And we are slowly on a rise, as you can see over there. We're rising up and we're rising to around $1.70. And hopefully by next week, we should be around $1.90 to $2. The market cap is relatively high of $12 billion. But the bad thing is that the daily traded volume is down 30% and is only sitting at $600 million per day. Okay, so that price news is out of the way. Now we can get into the fundamental basic news surrounding the Polygon MATIC company and why I'm so bullish for it in the future. So basically it all stems from Ethereum and Ethereum's current status that it's in right now, with its layer 1 being extremely slow, extremely expensive, and overall just really inefficient. However, Polygon MATIC is a chain and a blockchain and a company and a protocol built on the layer 2 of Ethereum, meaning there are no gas fees, so it's much cheaper. It's actually just everything is cheaper. It's much faster because it's on a much more efficient chain called Ethereum's layer 2 chain, and it's just overall ahead of every other coin as of now in terms of efficiency. So with the growing trend of NFTs and the growing actual whole industry of NFTs, more and more people are buying and trading on the Ethereum's network, and more people are getting more and more angry with Ethereum for being so expensive and so slow and so inefficient. They are going to move to alternative chains like Solana, like AVAX, like Cardano, that are faster and more efficient. However, they are not as good as Ethereum because they don't have Ethereum's current context, they don't have Ethereum's development, and they don't have Ethereum's technology. And that is when Polygon comes in, because Polygon is superior to Ethereum's layer 1 in every form and every way, and it still has all of Ethereum's context because it's still on the Ethereum blockchain, but it's just on the layer 2 of the Ethereum blockchain. It's still got all Ethereum's networking, it's got all their development, it's got all their users, it's got all their superior technology. So it's basically the best of both worlds. It's the technology and the speed from Avalanche or Solana, and then the pre-existing development from the Ethereum company itself. This basically means more and more people are going to be using Polygon to trade NFTs, build NFTs, and overall just trade crypto as a whole, buy things, sell things, because there will be zero gas fees and it is much faster. And it's much safer as well because of the huge ecosystem that Ethereum has built over the years. And we're even starting to see this in action with OpenSea adopting the Polygon chain with a lot of NFTs right now. So as the NFT community grows even more and the industry gets bigger and bigger, as more and more celebrities adopt it and more big, huge conglomerates adopt it into their everyday business strategy, this Polygon chain is going to grow and explode within the next year, in my opinion. Basically, the tech behind the Polygon chain that makes it superior to Ethereum, AVAX, and Solana is it's on the second chain or the second layer of Ethereum, meaning it's using a proof of stake consensus to validify its transactions. Those are some big words that are specific to the terminology of cryptocurrency, so let me translate them. Basically, this means that people have to put money into the company like you put money into a bank for the transactions to be validated and for transactions to actually occur. With Bitcoin, they use a proof of work model, which basically means that people have to mine Bitcoin for transactions to actually be validated. And with Ethereum layer 1, they also use a proof of work model. Okay, finally getting into the fun part, these are the price predictions of the video. However, before I start, I will elucidate that these price predictions are very speculative and my own personal opinion. They are made with a certain degree of arbitrage, and I'm not a financial advisor. As I've said earlier in this video, I've got no formal education or financial advice, and these are just purely my opinion, I will reiterate. Okay, so for the Polygon coin in the short term, I think it's going to bounce up and down around the $1.70 to $2 mark as the market starts to reestablish itself and slowly plateaus out. However, after a plateau, it's either going to go bearish or bullish, but I'm really certain that it's going to go bullish because I don't think it's going to go even more down, because that's just very unlikely, and we've never seen that historically with any of the prices of any of these big coins. So when it goes into the bullish state of market, it could easily get up to heights of $5 around April, May, June this year. And for the long term, I'm saying that it could get up to $15, $20, $25 within the next 5 years because of its superior technology, and it's just superior to every other coin doing what it wants to do in the market right now. Okay guys, so that was about it for today's video. If you liked it, if you found the quality good, if you found any value or help in this video at all, and if you watched to the end, please do help me out and leave a like on this video. And if you like me or you like these videos that I'm making, if you think they're informative, maybe even subscribe. I don't know, it's up to you. But thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.